Say hi to Fred. Where's Fred? Where did Fred go? Is this Fred? Say hi, Fred.
Hi, Fred.
Where's Daddy? Is he at work?
No.
What do you think of Fred?
That's again.
Go see Fred again. Say, Fred, excuse me.
Yes? What do you want?
Ask him where your daddy went.
Daddy wants to do some work.
Daddy's at work.
Daddy's at work? Huh.
Is Fred nice? Yeah. Can you give Fred a kiss?
Never another kiss, little girl.
Brookie, do you always kiss strange men? Can you give Fred one more kiss? Fred needs one more kiss.
Ah!
Who is it? Who's Fred? Who is it? Who is that?
That's Daddy.
Who is it?
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
What are you wearing?
I was wearing a costume.
Like a princess costume.
Daddy's wearing a funny costume.
Was that scary?
You're sure nice to Fred though.